Alright, everyone. Welcome to the Builder's Workshop.
What are we building today? Yeah, I can't wait to start.
Today, my young builders, we're going to explore the amazing world of construction using Lego, Magna Tiles, and cardboard boxes.
I'm going to build a castle out of Magna Tiles.
I want to make a spaceship with Lego. I'm going to build a maze using cardboard boxes.
Wow, look at what you've all accomplished. Each of your creations is unique and wonderful in its own way.
This was so much fun. I can't wait to come back and build again.